This video is to explain the annotated bibliography assignment, which is a part of a guided research project. So the annotated bibliography is on the same topic as the guided research project essay. The topic is cell phones, teens, and mental health. And the article that we're all reading related to that is the article called "Have Smartphones Destroyed a Generation?" That's one you'll be doing on perusal. So this is the same topic as that, and basically the goal for this assignment is for you to write about these sources and cite these sources outside the context of the specific essay. So this is a separate document. So for this assignment, you will end up having 4 sources. So 4 sources. These sources can come from some of them that I have provided to you. So you can use the "Have Smartphones Destroyed a Generation" article, and you can use articles from the academic peer-reviewed sources folder that I created, where I provided some articles related to the topic that are academic peer-reviewed articles. My suggestion is that you maybe take a look at maybe 1 or 2 of those, because those are a bit more difficult than other articles. But we'll talk more about that in a later video. So you can use those articles, and then you can also find some of your own for this. One of the articles does need to be academic peer reviewed. So that's the type of thing. So we're going to end up having 4 sources, and for each source you're going to have a proper MLA citation, full citation. And this will go for the essay. This type of thing would go in the works cited page. For each entry, you'll need to do basically three things for each entry. So the first one is to summarize. I'll do A, B, C here so it doesn't mix up the numbers here. A, B, C. So the first part is to summarize the content of each source. So give a general overview of sort of what the source is about, that type of thing. B is to evaluate the quality of the source. So this relates to the sort of the depth of it, the reliability of it, maybe author credibility, author background, things related to that, talking about source quality. And there's more information in Blackboard relating to how to do that. But part of this is distinguishing between different types of sources. So the academic peer-reviewed source are going to be high on that list of depth and reliability, for instance. And then the third part of the entry is describe how each source will aid your report's development. This can also be about how this source relates to the other ones, what it does differently, what things are similar, and how this will be beneficial as you create your essay. So basically, those are the 3 elements. And then I'll scroll down here. Oh, sorry, it's the next slide. So this is a template for the assignment. You will need to include a working title for your essay, the broad subject for which the essay is going to be about, and a working thesis statement, which is what you're going to prove in the essay. Then you're going to have 4 annotated bibliography entries. So up top you have the actual citation, the full citation for the source, and then you indent and then you include your three parts of the annotation in this section here. Total words should be about 150. It shouldn't be much less than that, so it should be pretty close to that. It can be a bit more, but 150 is a good goal for hitting all the key points there.